Welcome to my channel. We're doing another Sunday dinner recipe, and today we're doing curry chickpeas. The ingredients we need for this recipe will be garam masala, curry powder, thyme, coriander seasoning, ground cloves, flavor rice, my personal favorite, ginger, black pepper, salt, red peppers, green scallions, some minced garlic, coconut milk, diced red tomatoes, some fresh cut potatoes, and some chickpeas. Some rice, some coconut oil, some peas and carrots, and some bay leaves. Okay, now let's cook it up. First you put the coconut oil in the pan, and I like to add the minced garlic, get it nice and hot. And you want to cook the curry. I'm not Jamaican, they say burn the curry, but basically you want to release the flavor of the curry inside of the oil in the pan, but don't actually burn it because it will be bitter and you won't like the taste, and curry will mess your stomach up. Okay, after you cook the curry, get it all infused in with the coconut oil, it should have a nice little aroma to it. And then I like to add in the onions. Stir that around with it a little bit. It's a lot of mixing for this process. And I like to add in cut potatoes and get them infused in with the curry and onions and coconut oil because I like for my potatoes to have like a little crisp flavor texture to it. So I like to do my potatoes first and let it cook down a little bit. And give that about 5-10 minutes or so. And then I add in the red peppers. And I add in the green scallions. And then I mix that around some. I get that infused in with the potatoes and the curry and the coconut oil. Is definitely an alchemy type process when cooking this. And then I add in the chickpeas. And I stir that around, get that infused in with it. And I don't know, since I started making these cooking videos and just listening to the food cook and the sounds of the kitchen is like so satisfying. So I'm gonna let it play. And then I add in the diced tomatoes. And I stir that around a bit. You probably could just dump everything in there, but that's not how I roll. And then I add in all my seasonings. And once they all in, I stir it all around and get it all mixed up. I really enjoy cooking.
Nice.
Especially when you make healthy dishes like this.
Nom, 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 nom.
Then I add in the coconut milk with that dramatic pour.
Oh, wow.
But I am putting in all of it in. Canned coconut milk or fresh coconut milk. Either or. I do both, but for this one, I use canned coconut milk. And I like to add in a little bit of vegetable broth, just a little bit. And I mix it around. And that's pretty much the basis of it. And I let it cook for about, then you check it.
Nice.
The smell is amazing. Like your whole house should smell like a nice curry dish. And I like to give it a quick stir to make sure all of the tasty goodness is inside the dish. And then I like to add my bay leaf in. Look at how this bay leaf laid down inside of the food, man. Like, come on now. You know you got good food when nature just rests inside of your dish. There you go. Curry chickpeas. Serve it with a nice side of white rice, and you good to go.
Bravo, bravo.